Welcome back, everyone. Are you upside down on your home and need a place to turn? So many are in this position as we continue to break records for foreclosures and unemployment.
But here to help is Mike Tchobanian of Vegas Capital Real Estate Solutions. It's great having you here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. First of all, that picture of the house that was upside down, there's a whole nother issue there.
Yes.
Let's talk about your company first off. What is it that you can help us with?
Vegas Capital Solutions, primarily myself, Mike Tchobanian, and my partner Frank Bruno. Combined, we have 30 years of real estate experience, residential and commercial, right here in the Vegas Valley.
Excellent.
And today we're specializing in distressed properties, and also we're doing commercial loan restructuring.
And in your opinion, what do you think happened to the American dream in this meltdown that we're in right now?
The American dream was promoted for everybody to own a home in the United States. Unfortunately, that dream was taken advantage of by the banks, the Wall Street, the government, and it turned into a pyramid scheme. And once the economy started collapsing, that pyramid crashed with the economy. And today we're suffering all the consequences because of that crash.
So how can we prepare ourselves for our financial future if A, that we're already stuck in a situation, or B, if we have yet to buy a house? How can we better prepare ourselves?
The best way is to eliminate your negative debt in your portfolio, especially your upside-down residential and commercial mortgages, because it could take up to 10 years for it to recoup in value in this economy. And today we have great guidelines by the banks where they're forgiving deficiency, and the capital gains are being forgiven by the IRS. And also, once you eliminate your negative debt, with that you eliminate all the stress that brings that into your home, and you can start planning for a brighter future.
And when you say eliminate your debt, do you mean sell off the property?
That would be one option.
Or what's another option that you would recommend?
You have several alternatives. One we would renegotiate and restructure the loan. That would lower your monthly payment. That would be temporary because it wouldn't really eliminate all your debt. That would be a temporary solution. It could work for some people, however...
It also wouldn't change the fact that your house is upside down.
Exactly. Depending how upside down you are, that could work for some people. The next option would be to short sell your real estate. That would be the best option because it would get rid of all the negative debt. Even though you do get a slight impact on your credit, it will repair itself within 12 months. Therefore, you sell low today, and you can buy another home at these low prices with this economy.
Excellent.
Yeah, this is a great opportunity for people who sat on the sideline as well and didn't buy during, the inflated prices. So you can help people also buy if they're ready to do that.
Yes. The prices today are in the approximately of 5% of the bottom of real estate. So it equates to where we were. It could be up and down, 5% up and down. You can't really pinpoint it exactly. The prices equate to where we were 10 years ago.
Wow. And the interest rates are what, at a 40 or 50-year low?
Exactly.
So now is a great time, if you can do it, to get into a house.
If you're renting, it's a great time to buy. You can buy a $130,000 house. Your payment would be around $750 a month. If you're sitting in CDs or cash, it's a great time to invest. You would get approximately 10% return on your money, and plus the appreciation over the years. There are condos selling for $50,000 in Las Vegas today.
Or less. I've seen less.
Or less. And that's cheaper than buying a car nowadays.
Exactly. So many people were priced out because they couldn't afford these prices before. So this is really a good opportunity as well.
It's a great opportunity, yes.
Now, I know you're offering free consultation when it comes to loan modifications and short sales. How can people take advantage of that?
Well, with the short sales, it's a great time to take advantage of it because the banks are forgiving deficiency on your primary home. You're not getting hit by tax credit, IRS capital gains. And you also get offers that you would be able to get cash for keys up to $3,000.
Cash for keys, explain this.
Well, the bank has, and the government has guidelines with the HAFA program where you would get money to help you move and pretty much help you avoid foreclosure and eviction for a lot of the families that live in the valley.
That's up to $3,000?
Correct.
Okay, that would depend on what you're buying or moving out of?
It depends on, each case is unique. It depends on your assets and what scenario you're in, your income, and so on and so forth.
And getting back to the short sales, if people are interested in doing that, there's a process, and sometimes it can be very slow too, so you also help people go through that process, right?
Yes, 100%. We hold their hand a step at a time. We would list their property. find the buyer, do all the negotiation with the banks, and then plan for them to move. And they'll have enough time in advance to know when they would be moving. So it is the best option overall picture.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it. If you'd like to get in touch with Mike, call the number there on your screen. Remember, you can see the segment again at vegasmorningblend.com.